Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile look cool like this one here. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing, you should have level 10 on your account if it is less than level 10, so we cannot do the things that I will discuss in this video. As you can see here, my account is level 33 and we will start by changing the avatar. All you have to do is click on edit profile, then go to avatar, and here you can choose any of these avatars, or you can press on see all. You can have a lot of choices here, as you can see. You can also upload an avatar from your computer from this button right here, or choose something that is related to a game that you have. As you can see, it is categorized according to the games that you have, or the games on Steam in general. And after choosing anyone you want, you can press on save, then you'll go back. And here we have another thing to do with your avatar. You can also go to Steam Points Shop by pressing on this icon right here, then click on avatars. And here, as you can see, you have many avatars to choose from, and you can also have animated ones. You can press on anyone that you want, then you can purchase it. And after purchasing it, you can click on equip. This icon right here will be replaced by equip icon. Then you can equip it. But here in my case, I won't buy anything right now. And the second thing that you can also use, you can go to avatars again, then choose one of these frames right here. You can also press on see all. And as you can see here, there are a lot of frames that you can use. You can put it on top of your avatar. It looks so cool and it will make your profile amazing. So you can also purchase one of them, then equip it. But I have purchased many ones before. So now let's get back to our profile and see what else can be done in order to make your profile looks cool. Now, in order to change the profile background on your Steam, go back to edit profile, then you should choose this one right here, profile background. And here, as you can see, you have many backgrounds. You can choose any one of these, as you can see. You can also change its size by clicking on one of these two options right here. You can choose the full screen mode or the original size mode. And after choosing the one that you want, just click on save. And you can also go to the menu profile, and you will find also some other themes that you can put. And any one of these things, you can add more to your inventory or to your collection by clicking on Steam Points Shop, then choose backgrounds, for example. Then you will have many backgrounds here. I can see all profile backgrounds from this icon right here. As you can see, there are many options. And every one of these backgrounds costs about 500 or more. So you can click on the one that you want. But be careful that some backgrounds will need you to download or purchase a particular game. As for example, this background right here needs you to buy Dark Souls 3 in order to have this background. So be careful at this point. While other backgrounds, if you have the game of this background, you can purchase it very easily. For example, here I have Counter-Strike 2, so I can put the Counter-Strike 2 background, but after purchasing it, I just have to purchase it, then click on equip. Now, these are still profile backgrounds. There are also animated profile backgrounds that you can choose. You can also go back to edit profile and change the theme of your profile, as you can see here. You can also buy some themes from Steam Points Shop. You can do the same thing in every category of these things on the left. You can also change this thing right here under your profile picture by going to the edit profile, then choose featured showcase. And you have here from this bar right here, you can select anyone you want. It's very easy and simple. As you can see here, you can also edit these pictures. You can put anything that you want. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to discover all the things in the edit profile on Steam. But as I said in the beginning of the video, you have to be level 10 or more. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.